Werp al julle bekommernis op hom, want hy sorg vir julle.
Filippense 4, vers 6 tot 7. Moet oor niks besorg wees nie, maar maak in alles julle begeertes deur gebed en smeking en met danksegging aan God bekend. Die vrede van God, wat alle verstand te bowe gaan, sal oor julle harte en gedagtes wag hou in Christus Jesus.
Sometimes I get to feeling I was back in the old days, long ago. When we were kids, when we were young, things seemed so perfect, you know. The days were endless, we were crazy, we were young. The sun was always shining, we just lived for fun. Sometimes it seems like lately, I just don't know. The rest of my life's been just a show. Those were the days of our lives. The bad things in life were so few. Those days are all gone now, but one thing is true. When I look and I find I still love you, you can't turn back the clock, you can't turn back the time. Ain't that a shame? Oh, I'd like to go back one time on a roller coaster ride, when life's just a game. No use in sitting and thinking of what you did, when you can lay back and enjoy it through your kids. Sometimes it seems like lately, I just don't know. Better sit back and go with the flow. 'Cause these are the days of our lives.
Ons mis al ons vriende en onderwysers. Wees veilig, ons sien mekaar gou weer.
Ek hoop dit gaan goed met almal by die huis en ek kan nie wag om almal weer te sien as die skool begin nie.